This video is showing how to use the Tuya app for smart door lock. Firstly, we are going to search for Tuya app. Then after you finish this, and then go to open and agree all the agreement, and then sign up or login and with your name. Firstly, we need to know that the reset button is here. After you press this one for 5 seconds. So we'll go back to the app. Now, after registration of the user ID, and we go to open the app, and then we go for add device. Find the security section, and from the menu, and you will find that the Wi-Fi lock here. And then make sure that you need to select 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network, but not the 5G, because the 5G not a support. And also need to put the password. And then we go for next step. They have a reset device step-by-step menu, and you can follow like this. Install the battery into the door lock, and then follow the menu to set the door lock to network distributor status. And then we are going down. And here must select the easy mode. If you have the Wi-Fi router, if you don't have for that, and then you use the phone network hotspot, and then you need it to the AP mode. So usually we selected the easy mode. Then after you find this one, scan the smart Wi-Fi smart lock and then add. So you see the green sign that has been added. Now we are go on evaluate the use of this app. You can see from here the battery status, the percentage of the battery. If it is no battery, and you will receive some alarm information, and here, and you can see the alarm information. Because before I change the battery, if low battery alarm, it will show in here. They also have some other alarms, such like hijack alarm. If somebody wanted to abnormal to open the door, or doorbell alarm, if wrong fingerprint or wrong password, it will show in here. They also have some records and showing who is using the fingerprinter or using the password for unlock at this record. Then also we can assign a temporary password records. For example, if we put this temporary 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and get a random one, it will give a random password. And then we are giving sign some name, such like Jack. Okay, to Jack. And then the efficient time from now. Then the final time, maybe for 1 day, or for 1 day. This is for temporary use, and we done. So if somebody using this password to open the door, it will show in at this record. Now we are showing some of the basics of this lock function. Number 1, when somebody go in here to press 9 and this one, and then you can open this Tuya app and open the door remotely. You can see click open remotely. Confirm. After confirm that this door can be opened. This is the first function. Second one, they have a remote dynamic password. It's a temporary password, can be last for 5 minutes. The method also is the same. When someone press here number 9 and then press this one, and then we can get the remote this one, generate a temporary password, and when we press this password, and then we can open the door. This is the 2-way to unlock. Thank you. And if we are looking from here directly, it will show in the records from here. I have the records. Now, if I enter the password, so one password unlock will be showing here. But it only shows one password from whom. If we wanted to know from which user, and then we will need to go from here, and then to make an edit. If my password, if my fingerprint here, I need to record the fingerprint from here. First one, enter this star and enter, and the master information. So if we add the users here, to add my fingerprint. So this one is 2. My fingerprint are not. So when we are here, and then I can use the fingerprint to lock because it is 2. So from here, it will showing the records. 2 fingerprint unlock. Now we are showing how to add other users. They have users 2 options. One, the family user. The others. The family user means that if you added this user, you can use the other smart devices also in this group. Actually, if you only have the smart locks, so the family user and the others are the same. So we added the others. We are giving the name firstly such like Rob. And then if he has recorded the fingerprint here, for example, and then we will put the sequence of the fingerprint, for example, if number 1, and set it to hijack fingerprint. And then it has been added, and then can add the password, the record sequence. It's not the password unlock. It's not the password to unlock this one here. But if you have enrolled some of the user ID, and this user ID have recorded some of the password, so firstly needed to enroll from this from here, such like this one. So if we add a user, so the password unlock is 3. And then we have been added. So if somebody press the password here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and then to open the door. In the records, it will show you Rob password unlock. So it's from Robert. Thank you.